Hi everyone, this is Penguin Trades. We're looking at the ES futures here. So you can see here we have this downtrend, we have a break, and we have another leg forming here. So it looks like we're getting a two-legged break. We're looking to get short here on this measured move. So overall, price has been pushing down over the last day. We had this uptrend, break. This is our, pushed all the way down to here. First attempt higher, and then second attempt higher. And now we're getting a sharp push down. We broke this trend line, and we're looking to catch a short. And I understand it's just breaking this uptrend right here, but it didn't reach the highs. It's not holding on the third bounce. And again, we have our two bigger picture attempts at a new high. So definitely looking to get short on this measured move here. And yeah, so I just wanted to explain that. So this is our overnight high level. This is our overnight low. These are our key levels for the day. Price started pushing up here. Again, attempting to make that new high as price pushed up. When it forms that swing here, that gives us our overnight high level. This is a good place for a reversal pattern. You can see it technically makes one, it just doesn't set up that well. We have first entry long, second entry long failure, but I just didn't like how it made two legs down, and then you're entering into that two-legged move down. Especially after such a bullish push higher, I would want to see a push lower, two legs back, and then play out this uptrend. Even though this right here, you can see there's a leg up, break, new high, and then it starts reversing on down. Overall, it's such a sharp leg up that I would want to see a clear reversal pattern below the EMA that doesn't already make a two-legged move down. I would want to see one push lower and then a couple legs back. And so that just doesn't happen here. So we continue on down. We go into this downtrend, and you can see overall it's getting bigger picture. This you can kind of see is one leg. We have a break. This is all part of the break. And then we start making a push up to a new high. So we have uptrend, break, push up to a new high, which on a bigger picture is the second leg up at a new high. So we have the uptrend, break, this whole thing, basically this whole day is the break, and then we get our first attempt higher, second attempt higher. And so let me just zoom back in here. Now when price pushed up here, it made a new high, this uptrend played out, so we're more likely to get a reversal. However, price, you can see we got those two attempts to reverse, but it very quickly pushed back up, indicating the bulls were taking the market, even though that uptrend just played out. And so we pushed through the overnight high, and then this right here, you can see it's a no fill. We have two attempts to fade the overnight high right here. And the reason I wasn't willing to push it out at all, oh, there we go. Let me just deal with this real quick. So the reason that I wasn't wanting to push this target out at all, one, was because it did barely miss that, and also the second leg down was very bearish. It did push down a lot below the EMA, and it was closing on its low there. And then it still didn't quite retest. So I was thinking, since this leg was stronger, it could make a second leg down. And so if it, it could test there and then push lower. And so I was, not willing to push it past at all. And so that resulted in a no fill. But sometimes that stuff happens. It really wasn't as clear. I liked the bullish reaction when price pushed up here. We got the reversal attempt, the fade attempt, pushed back up, closed above the EMA, barely around the range low right there, and it looks good to ride it to the other side. Just not quite enough to expect it to keep on pushing out, but it does end up pushing out. Makes that new high, and then we get a sharp push down. We go into this downtrend, in which case we got this two-legged break on a clear reversal area because we're at the overnight high. When price comes off the overnight high, we can expect price to attempt to reverse. This uptrend has a break. You can see we've made a new high. It's played out. It actually has two legs to a new high. So yeah, price action levels get bigger picture as more time goes on. You can see here this uptrend has a break, two legs to a new high. But on a bigger picture, this uptrend is just another single leg at a new high. And so just wanted to go over this day and kind of explain what I'm looking at here so you understand the full picture of what I'm doing here. And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and let this record. I'm going to go ahead and mute myself, and I'll see y'all later.